Did you know you can automatically expire a short link after a specific date or number of clicks? Let me show you how link expiration works in Catly. Open your Catly dashboard and find the short link you want to configure. Click the link redirect expiration icon here, and you can configure when the short link should expire. First option is expiration by date. You can set the date, then enter the destination URL that users will be redirected to after the expiration date. For example, com offer, and then save. All changes have been saved. You can also set the link to expire after a specific number of clicks. For example, 100. You can also see the current clicks. Then choose whatever expiration should be based on all clicks or only unique clicks. Finally, enter the redirect URL that should open after the limit is reached. For example, new offer. And then save. You can set expiration by date, by number of clicks, or both. If both options are set, then the one that happens first will apply. This feature is perfect for limited campaigns, promotions, or time-based marketing links. Try it yourself at Catly.